This scientific fact could completely change what you know. The universe isn't merely made up of particles, but rather, it's a vibrant tapestry of quantum fields. Each particle is simply an excitation of its respective field, much like waves in an ocean. These quantum fields permeate every corner of space and shape everything around us, including the very fabric of reality. When particles interact, they create ripples in these fields, leading to the astonishing phenomena we observe. From light to matter, understanding quantum fields is unlocking the door to the mysteries of the universe and our place within it. Don't forget to like and follow to continue discovering the secrets of the universe.